Darius gets the first hint from Cyrus, and this hint is about Cyrus hiding, and Cyrus and Darius are going to do extreme camouflage hide and seek, and Darius is the seeker in it and Cyrus is the hider. And then Darius comes inside the house to find Cyrus, and the lights are off inside the house, and Romeo is also inside the house, and then Brenda also comes down. So Darius tells Brenda about the hide and seek, and then Darius tries to find Cyrus between the sofas, and Darius thinks Cyrus is creative, so Darius is looking for Cyrus everywhere. And then Darius looks behind the tree, but Darius can't find Cyrus anywhere. And then Darius remembers about the basement, and then Darius goes to the basement, and Darius hears something in the basement. And Darius remembers about the garage, but Darius checks in the bathroom, and then Darius comes to the garage to find Cyrus, and it's very dark in the garage. And Darius feels someone presence in the garage, and no one is seen in the car either. And Darius is trying to look well in the garage, and the camera is also seen in the garage. And then finally Darius finds Cyrus, and Darius is very surprised by Cyrus' method. And Darius also claps for Cyrus because Cyrus tried to hide very well. And Cyrus had a lot of fun, and Darius found Cyrus because of the sound of Cyrus breathing. And Cyrus tried very well, and then it is Darius' turn to hide. And Cyrus has to find Darius, and Darius also gives Cyrus a hint. And then after giving the hint, Cyrus starts looking for Darius, and Cyrus comes inside the house, and Cyrus is thinking about Darius' hint. And Cyrus also checks in the bathroom, and Cyrus knows that Darius is also creative, and Darius is not going to be easy to find. And Cyrus also looks well in the garage. Then Cyrus comes upstairs to find Darius, and Cyrus also checks in the closets. Then Cyrus comes into the room to see Darius, but Cyrus does not see Darius anywhere in the room. And then Cyrus also checks in the laundry room, and Cyrus also tries to find Darius in Kaio's room, and Cyrus does not find Darius in Kaio's room. Then Cyrus goes to the basement, but Kaio wakes up from his sleep, and Cyrus tries to find Darius in the basement, and Cyrus finds Darius under the balloons, and Darius also tries to hide very well.